Her eye glistens with driving desire, thriving to know what and who we are. Is the answer above us, the key to religion, peace and understanding? But would our world want to see it, or progress as we do now, as we must? Can we grasp the reason for existence and the fact for this complex life? From the right knowledge will darken roots of lie, but from this pain will sparkle a truth of destiny. Is I glistens with her but thriving desire and would progress what we our must know driving world we who want and are we understanding do the to answer above us or now see to the key it religion